Hello, everyone, and welcome to English Mastery Guide. In today's Slow English podcast, you will practice real, natural English that people use in everyday conversations. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and try to copy the pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation of each sentence. This simple but powerful practice method will help you improve your speaking, listening, pronunciation, and overall English fluency. By practicing with me all the way to the end, you will become more comfortable speaking English, improve your understanding of spoken English, and gain the confidence to express yourself naturally in real-life situations. So, find a comfortable place, get ready to listen and repeat, and let us start improving your English together. Let us begin. We lock the office at night. We lock the office at night. They lock the gate after sunset. They lock the gate after sunset. She locks her drawer carefully. She locks her drawer carefully. He locks the car every evening. He locks the car every evening. I search for information online. I search for information online. You search for your glasses everywhere. You search for your glasses everywhere. We search for the missing key. We search for the missing key. They search for better opportunities. They search for better opportunities. She searches for recipes on the internet. She searches for recipes on the internet. He searches for his wallet in the room. He searches for his wallet in the room. I travel by bus to work. I travel by bus to work. You travel by train every month. You travel by train every month. We travel during the holidays. We travel during the holidays. They travel across the country together. They travel across the country together. She travels with her family in summer. She travels with her family in summer. He travels for business often. He travels for business often. I follow the teacher's instructions. I follow the teacher's instructions. You follow the road signs carefully. You follow the road signs carefully. We follow the news every evening. We follow the news every evening. They follow their dreams bravely. They follow their dreams bravely. She follows a healthy diet. She follows a healthy diet. He follows the rules strictly. He follows the rules strictly. I touch the water carefully. I touch the water carefully. You touch the screen gently. You touch the screen gently. We touch the flowers softly. We touch the flowers softly. They touch the wall to find the light switch. They touch the wall to find the light switch. She touches the baby's hand lovingly. She touches the baby's hand lovingly. He touches his forehead because of the heat. He touches his forehead because of the heat. I push the cart slowly. I push the cart slowly. You push the door with force. You push the door with force. We push the table into the corner. We push the table into the corner. They push the car down the road. They push the car down the road. She pushes the stroller in the park. She pushes the stroller in the park. He pushes the button carefully. He pushes the button carefully. I pull the chair closer. I pull the chair closer. You pull the rope strongly. You pull the rope strongly. We pull the boat to the shore. We pull the boat to the shore. They pull their luggage through the airport. They pull their luggage through the airport. She pulls the blanket over the child. She pulls the blanket over the child. He pulls the heavy box alone. He pulls the heavy box alone. I carry an umbrella when it rains. I carry an umbrella when it rains. You carry your phone everywhere. You carry your phone everywhere. We carry food to the picnic. We carry food to the picnic. They carry chairs into the hall. They carry chairs into the hall. She carries a basket of fruit. She carries a basket of fruit. He carries his baby carefully. He carries his baby carefully. I climb the stairs slowly. I climb the stairs slowly. You climb the hill every morning. You climb the hill every morning. We climb mountains during vacations. We climb mountains during vacations. They climb trees in the park. They climb trees in the park. She climbs onto the bus quickly. She climbs onto the bus quickly. He climbs the ladder carefully. He climbs the ladder carefully. I count the money twice. I count the money twice. You count the students in the room. You count the students in the room. We count the days until the holiday. We count the days until the holiday. They count the stars at night. They count the stars at night. She counts her steps during exercise. She counts her steps during exercise. He counts the boxes in the store. He counts the boxes in the store. I fix my bed every morning. I fix my bed every morning. You fix your hair before school. You fix your hair before school. We fix the problem together. We fix the problem together. They fix broken machines at work. They fix broken machines at work. She fixes the picture on the wall. She fixes the picture on the wall. He fixes the sink in the kitchen. He fixes the sink in the kitchen. I enjoy the fresh morning air. I enjoy the fresh morning air. You enjoy long walks on the beach. You enjoy long walks on the beach. We enjoy watching the sunset together. We enjoy watching the sunset together. They enjoy quiet evenings at home. They enjoy quiet evenings at home. She enjoys reading before bed. She enjoys reading before bed. He enjoys helping other people. He enjoys helping other people. I practice reading English aloud. I practice reading English aloud. You practice writing every night. You practice writing every night. We practice speaking together after work. We practice speaking together after work. They practice basketball after school. They practice basketball after school. She practices dancing in her room. She practices dancing in her room. He practices the guitar every evening. He practices the guitar every evening. Thank you for practicing with me today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, share it with a friend, and subscribe to English Mastery Guide for more English speaking and listening practice. Leave a comment below with done white heavy check mark if you completed the full lesson. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Keep practicing, keep improving, and keep speaking English every day.